What if I told you that tonight, without saying a word, you could ignite a magnetic pull so strong they'll chase you in their dreams? In the next 8 minutes, I'll share a simple nighttime method. No scripts, no affirmations to recite, that works while you sleep. Your conscious mind softens, but your subconscious stays wide awake, ready to absorb your deepest desires. In this liminal state, the barrier between thought and reality blurs. Research shows that during the theta wave stage of sleep, your mind becomes exceptionally receptive to suggestion, imprinting intentions more deeply than when you're awake. At the same time, your body continuously emits an electromagnetic field shaped by your emotions. During sleep, this energetic signature flows uninterrupted, broadcasting your vibration farther and clearer. By focusing your intention just before drifting off, you amplify this signal, planting the seed of attraction directly into their subconscious. That's why nighttime isn't just for rest. It's the ultimate launchpad for magnetic connection, where your silent energy does all the work. Your body generates a constant bioenergy field, an electromagnetic signature shaped by your thoughts and emotions. When you set a clear intention before sleep, you're programming this field with a specific vibration. Meanwhile, as you drift into the theta wave stage, your subconscious becomes exceptionally receptive, recording and amplifying that intention more deeply than when you're awake. Together, your uninterrupted nighttime energy broadcast and your mind's heightened suggestibility embed a magnetic pull in their subconscious, drawing them closer without a single word. First, set your phone to airplane mode and switch off the screen. Then, take a seat at the edge of your bed and sit quietly for 60 seconds, allowing your body and mind to relax into calm. Silently repeat to yourself one sentence. Tonight, you will feel my presence as you sleep. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Now, picture a warm, golden light glowing at the center of your chest. Feel it pulse with each heartbeat, growing brighter and more alive. Watch as that light flows outward, filling every corner of the room with its radiance. See it drift through the air like a soft mist, winding its way to the one you long for. Imagine it wrapping around them in a comforting embrace, drawing them ever closer with its gentle pull. With your eyes closed, let that golden light gently flow away from your body. Feel its warmth softening every muscle as you surrender to stillness. Trust that your subconscious is now broadcasting this vibration effortlessly. Feel your energy expanding. They sense your light, drawing them in. Your presence flows like a warm current. Every breath deepens the pull. Sleep now and let the pull do the rest. Feel your heart's vibration ripple outward. They drift closer on those silent waves. Your light and theirs merge in stillness. Sleep now and let the pull do the rest. Feel your energy expanding. They sense your light, drawing them in. Imagine them reaching out to you, connecting exactly as you desire. Now take one full conscious breath in. And release it fully. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this energy forward. Sleep now and let the pull do the rest. Wake tomorrow morning and take note of the very first sign of their response. Whether it's a fleeting thought, an unexpected message, or a vivid dream. Use this method for 3 consecutive nights to build lasting momentum. For an extra boost, try it during the full moon, when your energy radiates strongest. And before you sleep, place your phone charger across the room to keep your energy field uninterrupted. Tonight, let your sleep be the magnet. Tomorrow, they'll chase the energy you already sent. If this effortless method resonated with you, don't miss my next video, where we dive even deeper into amplifying your attraction and manifesting your desires.